we will explore the concept of short variable declarations in Go. In Go, you can declare variables and assign them values on the same line. This is called a short variable declaration. Instead of explicitly specifying the variable's type and then assigning a value with an equal sign, you do both at once using the colon equals operator. Short variable declarations are especially useful when you already know the value a variable will hold at the time of declaration. Let's see how this works. In the previous example, we declared variables using the regular method. We explicitly declared the type of each variable and then assigned values to them. For example, we declared quantity as an integer, customer name as a string, and length and width as floating point numbers. After assigning the values, we printed out a message that calculated the area of the sheets ordered. Now, let's update this example to use short variable declarations. Instead of specifying the type of each variable, we use the colon equals operator, and Go automatically infers the type based on the value we assign. This makes the code more concise and easier to read. The quantity variable becomes quantity colon equals 2, and we do the same for customer name, length, and width. The output remains exactly the same, but the code is more efficient and easier to write. As you can see, short variable declarations are a convenient way to declare and assign values in Go. They save you time and make your code cleaner, especially when the type of the value is clear from the context. However, it's important to remember that you'll still encounter both forms in Go code, so it's crucial to understand and be comfortable with both regular and short variable declarations.